Alright everyone, welcome to my wreck of a office, room, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, take a look at this. Trays of gemstones on gemstones, some more gemstones, and metal. I just got done pouring these plates, and I wanted to record at least one pour, hopefully it goes well, of my ring work for Miss Valdez. So Miss Valdez recently won a ring. She, I believe, is going to, unless we change, of course, we will be using this peridot in it. And yeah, so this here is going to be a sped up version of the ring. I'll be pouring some metal into that thing, lighting it on fire, dumping it into one of those holes to make another one of these, but we'll use it for her ring band. So here we go. Alright, so this is always the moment of truth, pretty much. If I did it right, that will go all the way down. There might be some at the top because I may have had extra in, or I may have poured wrong. And if I didn't pour exactly right, well, I wouldn't have that bar of silver going all the way down. Perfect! Oh, and first shot, too. Like, I'm on a roll right now. That's a very rare occurrence for me. So yeah, this has been a really quick sneak peek at like step one of the process that I'm going to go through to make this custom ring. Stay tuned. This video, parts of this will be in an upcoming longer video tutorial, where I start to cover basic silversmithing, traditional methods. So thank you for watching. I appreciate you all. If you want to see more, please click the subscribe button, hit the bell, and there's more to come.